All right, so we're going to talk about doing these ones that have some fractions involved. Okay, so find area. I think people are okay with the fact that you need to multiply length times width, right? So we need to do 4 3/4 times 3 1/3. To do that, though, we need to make these one fraction, right? So we're going to take the whole number, times it by the bottom. That gives us 16. And then add the top, so it gets us 19. So this is 19/4 times 3 whole times the bottom. So that's 9 pieces plus one more extra. So that's 10 pieces. So we're going to have 10 thirds. And now to multiply fractions, you just go straight across. So 19 times 10 is 190. And then 4 times 3 is 12. And then we can reduce. So if we, I don't know, divide these both by 2, we're going to get 6 on the bottom. And 190 divided by 2 is going to be 95 on top. 6 is only a 2 and a 3. You can't reduce that anymore. So 95 over 6, which do 95 divided by 6, we're going to get 15. 15 with 5 left over. That was a really messy circle. So that's a 5, though, out of 6. So it's 15 and 5. The denominator is the same, 5, 6, which is what it says. Okay. Then if we look at another one here, people, we can do this one, which says, all right, same thing. Parallelogram is just, again, length times width. So I'm going to do 9 times 6 3/4. I don't need to do anything with a 9. It's already a whole number. With a 6 3/4, I need to change. So 6 times 4 is 24, plus the 3. I'm going to get 27 on top. 27 over 4, and times it by 9 over 1 if you want to be technical, right? You can make it look like a fraction. So we're going to do that. I'm going to multiply. So 9 times 27, right? 1 times 4 on the bottom, not the 4. 9 times 27, that's ugly. So 63 with a 6, 9 times 2 is 18. Plus that's 20, 243 over 4. 4 is even, 243 isn't, so I can't reduce that. So now I just got to do 243 divided by 4, and that will give me my whole number. 4 goes into 24, 6, so it's 24, subtract 0, bring down to 3. 4 will go into 3, it won't, so 0, because I have to go all the way in, so 60, and then obviously 0, I get 3 left over. So 60, and then 3 left over out of the 4 denominator, so 60 and 3/4 would be my final answer. Okay, so again, feel free to replay this, but you need to change things so they're both fraction looking items, right? Whole number goes over 1, or if it's mixed numbers, turn it into one fraction, then multiply straight across. Use calculators as needed. I didn't want to take time to bring one up here, but use your calculator as you need to multiply and all that stuff. That will help. Okay, hopefully this is helpful for you. Feel free to reach out some more if you need to.